Okay, so let's start chapter 1. Later on, I'll be checking your attendance. So, chapter 1, Information Technology and Internet and you. Presentation tips, competencies. Okay, so in this chapter, we will explain the 5 parts of the information system: people, procedures, software, hardware, and data. So, distinguish between system software and application software. Discuss the 3 kind of system software program. Distinguish between basic and specialized application software. Identify the 4 types of computer and the 6 types of computers. By the way, this is recorded and later on it will be uploaded in our Google Classroom. Describe the different types of computer hardware, including the system unit, input, output, storage, and communication devices. Define the data and describe documents or document, worksheet, database, and presentation file. And then explain computer connectivity, the wireless revolution, the internet, smartphones, and cloud computing. Okay, so introduction. Computer competencies refers to acquiring computer-related skills. So information systems are involved in many of the things we encounter each day. So microcomputers are common in all areas of life. And then new forms of learning online provides alternative for people to become educated without attending a physical class. Yung mga online class natin. The web provides a new way to communicate, to find people with similar interests, and to purchase goods. Or they call it the e-commerce, yung purchase good. Okay, so we have the parts of the information system. Wait lang ah. Slideshow pala. Ayan. So, parts of information system, we have the people, procedure, and then we have the software. So, by the way, what is information system? Inanap ko yung definition niya sa module ko. Anyway, what is information system? Ano ba ang information system? So, Wikipedia. So, according to Wikipedia, an information system is a formal, socio-technical, organizational system designed to collect, process, store, and distribute information. From socio-technical perspective, information systems are composed by 4 components. So, we have the task. It should have a task, people, structure, or roles, and technology. So, information system can be defined as integration of components for collection, storage, and processing of data, of which the data is used to provide information, contribute to knowledge, as well as digital products that facilitate decision making. Example of a information system, by the way, we have the computer information system, is a system that is composed of people and computers that process or interpret information. The term is also sometimes used to simplify or simply refer to a computer system with software installed. Parang yung computer system is the hardware and then we have the software. So later on, I'll be discussing to you what is hardware and then what is software. Okay, an information system, example of information system. Lazada, Shopee. So those are information system. It provides information. Another example of information system is your access, Lorma access. So it provides the information of the student, the basic profile of a student, and also the grades, and so on. Yun yung mga example of an information system. Basta it provides information. So for example, in Shopee, in Lazada, so the product information, the customer information, the seller information, and so on the like. So it provides information. So those are example of information system. Okay, so yan. So let's go back to our presentation. Yan. Again, yung mga late, don't worry, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our Google Classroom. So all our topics or discussion. Okay. Sana yun. So parts of information system. So we have the people, procedure, and then we have the software. So what is people? So people, most important part of the information system or any system should I say, is the people kasi sila yung gumagamit. The user of the system. We have the contact. We have direct and indirect contact, and then we have the computer uses. The computer is mostly used for entertainment, business, medicine, and education. Pag ganun pala dun. Okay, so software. So we have the system software and application software. Yes, system software, and then we have the application software. What is system software? So system software is a collection of programs. We have the operating system. Example of operating system, we have the Windows XP, we have the Windows 10, Windows 9, Windows 7, Macintosh. We have also what else? That is for the Windows operating system or desktop or computer operating system. We have also for the mobile. Okay, so mobile operating system, we have the Android, we have the iOS. Okay, so those are example of operating system. We have the utilities. Example of utilities are, for example, if you are familiar with the antivirus, firewall, those are the utilities. Okay, and then we have the device drivers. For the device drivers, for example, you cannot use a specific hardware without the driver. Okay, example of a device driver. Okay. Skip ko lang siya. And example of a device driver. Screen 1. Device device manager. Ayan. Okay. Example, I cannot use my camera without this one. So these are the drivers of the hardware. Ayan. I cannot use printer. Okay, I cannot use printer without these drivers. So these are the drivers, device drivers. Okay. And then we have the device drivers. So system software enables application software to interact with the computer hardware. Okay? You cannot use application software. Example of application software, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You cannot open browser, Google Chrome, and other applications without a system software. For example, if the operating system is not installed in your computer unit, kung hindi naka-install yung Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 10, or whatever operating system, you cannot install application software. Okay? Yun lang. So, it enables application software to interact with the computer hardware. The system software also, because of the driver, yun nga, sabi ko kanina na, without the driver, you cannot use the hardwares, peripherals. They call it peripherals. For example, the camera, the printer, and so on. Yan. We have the background software helps manage the resources. Example of the background software, firewall, antivirus, yung mga applications that are running in your computer unit at the back end. Okay? Even in mobile phones, di ba? At the back end, nag-run pa rin yung mga applications. So we have also background softwares for not only for the computer units but also in mobile cell phones. We have the operating system, coordinates computer resources, provides the user interface, and runs application. Example of operating system yun, Windows 7, Windows XP, and so on. Okay? It helps to run applications. So without the operating system, again, you cannot use the application. Coordinate computer resources. Example of computer resources natin, siguro magandang example is the hardwares. So we have the camera, printer, and so on. Yan. And provide user interface. What is user interface? So anything that you can see in your computer monitor, ma'am. Ma'am? Oo, bakit? Web. Check ko lang yung ano. Schedule. Web. Anong group mo kaya? Check ko lang yung ano. Kung anong group ka. Group 1, group 2. Web. Student checklist. Anong last name mo na? De Guzman. Ah. Danica. Bakit may web kayo? Okay. So, ito na yung parang kapalit niya. Group 1. Group 1 ka. Nasa group 1. Schedule. Sige. Group 1, web. Nasa akin na ba yung web? Wala. Yung inisa-isa ko to dati. Oo. Wala na si Sir Jeric ngayon. Oo. Okay. So, check ko lang. Group 1. De Guzman. Tatama na ito. 8:30. 9:30. So, ito. Send ko na lang sa email. Anong email mo? Ay, ito. Ito. Okay. So, reply. Ayan. Yan. Sinend ko na yung link. Oo. Pero kwan lang naman yun. Parang introduction lang. Oo, introduction lang. Tapos kahapon... Hindi, nagbigay na ako ng first activity kahapon. May video demonstration naman. So, pwede mo na lang ano yun. Ito. Ayun, okay na. Yung schedule natin for Monday 8:30 to 9:30. Tapos Friday group 1 9 to 10. Nakapost din ata sa ano yun eh. Oo, sa Google Classroom. Ito. Bakit Monday, Tuesday yun? Tapos Friday. Wait. Friday 9 to 10. 9 to 10 tapos Monday lang tayo. Yung sa last part niya. Hindi walang Monday. Doon sa yung naka-post lang doon sa baba. 8:30 to 9:30 yung nasa baba. Ay, hindi. Oo. Sa mm, pero sa subject natin, 8:30 to 9:30 Monday, tapos 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock Friday. Oo. Kasi 2 hours a week yung call namin. Eh, 2 hours. Kasi lab siya eh. Kasi ang nakalagay sa access is lecture and laboratory. Pero okay naman kasi nandito naman yung pangalan mo. Well, okay na to. Yan. Yan lang. Klase muna ako. Hindi. Sa email. Email. Yan. Yan, yan join. Hindi. Ay, teka, Lorma access ba yung, I mean, Lorma email Lorma email ba yung gamit mo? Hindi, kailangan Lorma, yung Lorma, oo, yung sa portal. Sa, Okay na. Okay, so let's continue. Saan na yung presentation? Ayan. May time pa naman. Okay, so operating system coordinates computer resources, provide the user interface, and runs application. So what is application software? So it is an end user software. So we have two major categories, the basic application and specialized application. So what is basic application? Walang anyway. For the basic application, example of a basic application. Okay. So for specialist applications, these applications are only used for specific applications. Hindi ko pala na yan. Anyway, we have another topic for this one. So, we have the application software. So, later on, I'll be discussing to you the basic application and specialized applications. And then we have the hardware types of computers. We have the supercomputers. We have the mainframe computers. We have microcomputers and mini computers. It's already 8:50. We'll continue discussing this one tomorrow. So I'll be checking your attendance. Yeah. Okay. Attendance. Um, Health Informatics Group 2. February 15. Andal. Tama ba? Aquino. Saan dito? Saan yun? One to one. Ito, 111. February 15. Abdul Kadir.
Present, sir.
Okay. Samer. Omer. Adraman. Adraman. Andal. Ano microphone ko? Okay, Andal Ermin. Aquino, Jan. Bustilio, Jun. Campos, Frank.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
De Guzman. De Guzman. Habtor, Amara. Maala, Lance. Moksir, Munar. Segundo. Sikdar, Teofilo. Torio, Dua. Dua.
Present, sir.
Okay. Esra, Arafa, Esra. Soha, Osman.
Present, sir.
Aguilar,
Present, sir.
Al-Rashid.
Present, sir.
Aspiras, Bagamaspad.
Present, sir.
Bautista. Kausapin,
Present, sir.
Lakanay. Diaz, Dulatre. Esplana,
Present, sir.
Fabro. Ganasi, Gapus.
Present, sir.
Gurtisa, Gapus Kaila.
Present.
Present. Gurtisa, Guzman. Hablil, Inguito. Misahon, Nartates. Ong, Sayo. Velasco. Okay, so again, last. Samer, Abdraman. Andal, Ermin. Aquino. Bustilio. De Guzman, Mark. Habtor. Maala. Moksir. Munar. Segundo. Sikdar. Teofilo. Torio. Esra. Aspiras. Bautista. Lacanay. Diaz. Dulatre. Fabro. Ganasi. Cortisa. Guzman. Hablil. Inguito. Misahon. Nartates. Ong. Sayo. Velasco. Sinong hindi natawag? Okay. Okay, so kindly tell to your classmates. Again, our synchronous class. That our schedule for the synchronous class is from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock every Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay? Yeah. Last. So, week 2.
Okay, sir.